Ultrawide gaming, something I've wanted to get into for a while, but now is affordable. This is the MSI MAG341CQ. This is the MSI Optix MAG341CQ 34-inch ultra-wide monitor. It is a 34-inch ultra-wide monitor with a resolution of 3440 by 1440. That is a ton of pixels. All right. This monitor right here has a refresh rate of 100 hertz. Okay. So that's definitely not 144, 164, 244. It's not up there. However, this is a lot of pixels to be pushing. And 100 hertz is plenty. You need a pretty beefy card in order to push this at full resolution, ultra details at 100 frames per second. Now, getting into the meat of this, it is a phenomenal monitor. The price is even better. Most ultra-wide monitors at this resolution will cost you damn near $1,000 or more. This is $480 right now on Amazon and Newegg. When looking at this monitor, a lot of people said that it makes a lot of noises whenever you are turning it on or turning it off. I haven't noticed it that much when you're turning it on or turning it off. However, those noises are created by the materials heating up and cooling down. It makes like a cracking, popping noise, and people said it lasts for up to 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. I haven't noticed it that much. When I turn it on, it's fine. When I turn it off, it's fine. When I'm playing games, I do notice a little bit of that noise. It's not that bad. It's like one or two little crackling sounds, but it's not that noticeable. If you have headphones on, you won't even notice it's there. Let me tell you about a bonus. This monitor is gsync compatible. Okay, all you got to do is turn on the FreeSync in the menu, have the correct drivers, and you're ready to go. It's that easy. It notices it automatically that it is gsync compatible and automatically locks it in at 100 hertz. Yes, 100 hertz 34-inch ultra-wide G-Sync monitor for $480. You can't ask for more, but you can. You see, LG has one. They have this awesome monitor. It's like the Ultra Gear or something. However, that is $1,000. The G-Sync version of it is $1,400. That's ridiculous for a monitor. I don't know anybody with that kind of cash. $480, easy. This monitor right here replaced an older Acer monitor that I don't know if you've seen it in my past videos where I had my BenQ as my main monitor and then I had my side monitor. It was tilted. It was in landscape mode. Or I'm sorry, it was in portrait mode right next to it. This replaced that. That monitor was 10 years old. The BenQ is now above it. I have a Vivo mount. Basically, the mount is a pair of legs and a 3-foot pole. And you can mount 2 monitors on there. Right now, I only have the top mount because this monitor is not VESA compatible. It doesn't have a VESA mount on it, basically, which is fine. So I bought a VESA mount off Pinterest, and I will link all this stuff below if you're interested in any of it. It was like $35 and it shipped from Canada. It's not here yet. I've had this monitor for a week and I don't have that mount yet, so I can't tell you too much about it. But this guy created it. I think it's made of metal, and it basically changes the mount on the monitor to a VESA mount, a VESA 100, which is fine. But I was concerned that this monitor wasn't going to be high enough. I thought it was going to be too low. It's not. It's perfect. The height of it right now is perfect. I probably won't even use that VESA mount, but I have it just in case I want to change my mind.